words. Okay, hi.
Hi guys, we're doing the yoga challenge and we're at the beach and it's seriously hot soon.
Yeah.
So let's get started.
And I have really sensitive feet, so yeah. I don't know if that's even yoga.
Oh my god, this is Titanic.
It burns, that's why.
It doesn't burn for me.
Okay, look at that.
What's next?
What are you doing, Ever? Make it rain,
Oh,
make it rain.
Okay, you do this on the ground and then you pull this and you pull me back.
Oh yeah, like I'm sitting like right here, right?
Yeah, and then
I'm making it rain.
ah.
Wait.
Yoga! Flag!
I wonder if we can do
Nicole, it's raining on you.
I want to do push-ups. Okay, I'm not
That's
peaceful.
not even a push-up. I don't even like it. It's just up on the ground.
Oh my god. Jasmine, you're in a big thunderstorm.
What's another one we do? One that Joey did.
Join us.
Oh yeah, did you not see like that one where it was like a square or something?
Yeah, I know. Okay, you go on the ground.
How do you do that one now?
Okay, wait. And then you hold me up. And then you, okay, and then here, okay, you see me?
Mm-hmm.
And then you have to do this.
What you just did?
Yeah, go on the ground.
Like,
How, like that? No, half. Up. Alright. And then put your hands back. This is a square.
that is not a square.
Yeah, it is.
So it's nowhere near a square. Hey guys.
Ask Trinity.
So hey, how's your day?
But wait, what else did they do? The brain.
Oh, it's like one of them is like pushing. It's like a push-up and then another push on top.
You do it. Oh yeah, I remember.
No, you have to do like a push-up position.
Sitting, y'all.
Push-up position. Get lower. Okay, it's my hair. I'm gonna do it like. Ah! It's like.
Oh, 518. I mean 518.99.
I just figured it out. There, we done with yoga.
I'm done with yoga.
Okay.
No.
That's it for this week's video.
No.
Catch us next time. Bye!
No.